Sai Ram, welcome to Value Education class. Children, we are going to read an interesting story from chapter 8, Emperor Shibi. Let us start. Long, long ago, a great emperor named Shibi ruled our country. He was a good and learned man. Once he was performing yagna. Lord Dharma and Agni Deva wanted to bless him. But before doing so, they wanted to test how good he was. So, Lord Dharma took the form of a falcon and Agni Deva took the form of a pigeon. The falcon started chasing the pigeon, as we can see here in the image. Children, what do you mean by chasing? To run after. The falcon started to run after the pigeon. Greatly frightened of the falcon, the pigeon flew as fast as it could. But eventually it became very tired and fell on the lap of Emperor Shibi. What do you mean by eventually? Eventually means after a long time. Greatly frightened of the falcon, the pigeon flew as fast as it could, but after a long time it became very tired and fell on the lap of Emperor Shibi. King Shibi hid the pigeon behind him. The falcon appeared before him and said, "O king, I am on the verge of death due to extreme hunger. This pigeon is my food. Please give it to me and save my life." Verge. Children, what do you mean by verge? Verge means on the border. I am on the verge, that means I am on the border of death due to extreme hunger. This pigeon is my food. Please give it to me and save my life. King Shibi answered, "I certainly will not abandon this creature, but at the same time you will be provided some flesh instead so that you may satisfy your hunger." Abandon. The meaning of abandon is leave. King Shibi answered, "I certainly will not leave this creature, but at the same time you will be provided some flesh instead so that you may satisfy your hunger." The falcon was delighted that he would get flesh equal in weight to pigeon, but asked, "If you are prepared to kill a creature in order to give me flesh, why don't you hand over this pigeon to me?" The king replied, "I am a human being and have got humanity for every creature." Humanity. What do you mean by humanity? Means kindness. Okay? I am a human being and have got kindness for every creature. I will give you flesh, not by killing any creature, but from my own body. So, the kind-hearted Shibi put the pigeon on one of the pans of the weighing scale and started placing flesh of his own body on the other. When the two weights seemed equal, he said, "Now you can eat this and let the pigeon go." Then the birds revealed their forms as Dharma and Agni. Revealed. What do you mean by revealed? Showed. The birds showed their forms as Dharma and Agni. They said, "Shibi, we came to test your devotion to your Dharma. We are fully satisfied. Nothing will make you forsake your Dharma. We bless you." Saying so, they returned to heaven. King Shibi ruled the country for a long time. Even today, he is the very symbol of self-sacrifice. Self-sacrifice means giving up of one's own interest or wishes. What is the meaning, children? Giving up of one's own interests or wishes. Even today, he is the very symbol of self-sacrifice. Okay. So here we come to the end of chapter 8. And even we completed with the story. And the moral of the story is, an act of kindness, however small it may be, is never wasted. So let us be kind to all the living creature, no matter whether human being or animals. Okay? Remember, selfless work purifies the mind. Swami Omkarananda. Children, read the story and you have to answer the questions given at the end of this story. Okay, answer the following, and after this we have activity time. There is a small activity, so I want you all to complete it. Okay, until then, do take care of yourself and goodbye.